food is done. Now to take it upstairs to my lover. Good morning, sleepyhead. What's this? It's breakfast, babe. I wanted to surprise you with breakfast in bed. Yeah, I made your favorites. Heart-shaped chocolate chip waffles with scrambled eggs and bacon. I also made your coffee just the way you like it. Careful, the coffee's still pretty hot. How's the coffee? Is it good? That's good. Glad to hear it. Yeah, of course I'll sit with you in bed. Eat up, babe. You don't want your food to get cold. Mhm. I may not always be the best cook, babe, but I always try my best. It's delicious. You're not just saying that, are you? Aw, I'm glad you love what I do, hun. Babe, what are you doing? Oh, yum. Thanks, babe. Yeah, the eggs are fresh and tasty. Our neighbor is so nice by giving us their eggs from their chickens, even though they don't have to. They need eggs too, you know. I tend to worry about them if they're getting enough eggs for themselves to eat. Yeah, that is true. What time is it? Babe, don't worry about the time. Just enjoy your breakfast and relax. You had a pretty long week at work. You've been getting up at 6 a.m. and you're out the door by 7 a.m. and you come home by 5:30 p.m. You work your ass off nonstop trying to complete those tasks for your manager. You even travel with your coworkers at times for projects, meetings, and whatnot. It's Saturday, babe. You're at home with me, and I want you to relax. I worry about you. I would hate to see you push yourself to the point you're exhausted. You did that one day before we got married, and I still won't forget it. And I'm not just saying this because I'm mad, because I'm not mad. I care about you a lot, and I want to help you and be there for you as much as possible. That's how much I truly love you. What was that for, babe? I love you too. So, what do you want to do today? We can go to the movies, to the park, shopping, or we could just stay at home and chill. Whatever you want, dear. Oh, that's right. I almost forgot about the farmers market. Yeah, we can go to the farmers market. It's only 10 a.m. We have plenty of time. They close at 1 p.m. We can leave in about an hour if you want. Sounds good. Yeah, I would love to cuddle with you for a bit before we head out. You're welcome, babe. I'm really glad you loved your breakfast. Mmm, your skin is so warm and so smooth. I love it when you hold me like this. This is very relaxing. So glad I get to relax with you. I love you so much. It's okay if you fall back asleep, babe. I might even take a short nap with you. Just relax with me, babe. You're okay. You don't need to think about anything. Just focus on us. Focus on this moment. I love you.